Ethanol production has been abundant. Under the weight of this abundance, industry margins will likely remain weak for the rest of 2019. Corn production is down thanks to a soggy spring, which means higher corn prices. This will also squeeze ethanol margins, forcing some plants to shut down or idle their production. Exports remain one area of optimism, but that optimism hangs by a thread on China's E10 fuel plans. In 2017, China announced it would convert to E10 blended gasoline by 2020. In the meantime, domestic demand for ethanol will likely be flat for the next 2 years. In the big picture, for ethanol plant margins to go up, supply will need to go down. This will be a painful process for higher cost producers, especially those that are smaller, have older technology, or are located in areas with higher input costs. Longer term, ethanol plant profitability will come from diversifying revenues and the growth of higher blend gasoline markets. Perhaps the ethanol plant of today will be the corn bioprocessing plant of the future. To learn more, see my latest report on CoBank.com.